ready to unlock a powerful income stream by building professional websites for clients on platforms like Fiverr, all powered by the incredibly user-friendly WordPress. Today, we're demystifying the concept of a Fiverr website in WordPress a circumflex euros. It's not about a cheap $10 site, but rather mastering WordPress to efficiently create and deliver high-quality websites that clients will pay for on freelance marketplaces. First, let's get your foundation right. You'll need a reliable web hosting provider and a domain name once you've secured those. The next step is installing WordPress. Most hosting companies offer a one-click installation, making this process incredibly straightforward. With WordPress installed, it's time to choose your canvas, navigate to Appearance, then Themes, and explore the vast library of free and premium themes for client work. Look for themes that are flexible, responsive, and offer a clean, professional aesthetic. To truly customize and add functionality, you'll leverage plugins. Think drag-and-drop page builders like Elementor for visual design, SEO plugins to optimize for search engines, and contact form plugins to make it easy for clients to connect. Now let's build. Using your chosen theme and page builder, you'll start constructing the core pages of the website a circumflex euros. Think homepage, about us, services, and contact. Drag elements, customize colors, fonts, and images to match your client's brand. Don't forget essential functionalities. Integrate contact forms, set up clear navigation menus, and ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as this is crucial for user experience and client satisfaction. The key to succeeding with Fiverr websites in WordPress is efficiency and quality. Focus on delivering a polished, functional, and visually appealing website that meets the client's needs, and you'll be well on your way to building a professional freelance service.